Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra appeared in yet another listing ahead of its rumored launch in January. The SM-S938U, which is likely the US variant of the phone, made its way onto camera FV5, which has several details on its main camera. The shooter will feature a 23.2mm equivalent focal length and f/1.7 aperture with shots outputted in 12.5MP with a maximum resolution of 4080 by 3060px. The sensor area is listed at 71.9 mm2. Per the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra rumors, the device will be equipped with a 200MP main cam just like its predecessor, which bins pixels in a 16:1 formation and outputs 12.5MP shots by default. Samsung is also expected to bring a 50MP IMX854 telephoto with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP IMX754 telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP Samsung JN3 ultra-wide lens. Samsung's upcoming Ultra flagship is also expected to bring a Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chipset, 5000 mAh battery, and support for 45W wired charging.